Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. 6 minus 5 multiplied by 6 minus 5. So what is the way to solve it? First of all, we will solve parentheses because PEMDAS principle says that first of all we will solve parentheses. So inside the parentheses there is 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 will be equal to 1. And here is no sign, so there will be multiplication. 6 minus 5. So now PEMDAS principle says that multiplication and division will occur, which is at left side. So 1 multiplied by 6 will be equal to 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 will be equal to 1, which is our answer. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.